Livy, what are you doing?
Daddy?
Yeah?
For the day I'm bringing is a monkey.
What?
A monkey.
You're bringing a monkey?
Yeah, and a monkey's in a rock is Bella Bear.
Oh, where are you bringing them?
To a choo-choo train.
Where is the choo-choo train?
It's over there.
Let me see it. Can you go sit on it?
No.
Where are you guys going?
I don't know. Maybe they're all going to a restaurant.
Ooh, what kind of a restaurant?
It's gonna be, I don't know. I don't know. I love you.
I love you too.
Daddy,
Yeah?
I'm missing so many white ones on the choo-choo train.
Now what are you looking for?
I just wanna hook all and this guy. I like it. I put it a stuff and I'm ready. Go. I'm making a big suitcase. And I even all the food's on there.
All the food's under your chair?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they got the TV off.
Because I wanted to take a video of you.
I'm done. Dada! Dad,
What?
what do we still got? Are these still there? Here.
What, the stockings?
No, these.
Oh, the candles. So we're going to put them in the fireplace and make it look nice and cozy. Hey, Livy, come here.
What do you do?
Can you give me a kiss?
Was that you? Was that you, Mr. Booty Boo? Okay, one lucky, one kitty cat, one dog, one dog, and Mamma mia. Daddy,
Yeah.
now see it.
Livy, I love you.
I love you like a baby.
You love me like a baby?
We are gonna have the one on. It's gonna be a baby at our house, and I'm gonna share my toys with her.
Oh.
Is that a good idea? There's gonna be a baby at our house. I can share some toys.
Yeah.
Is that a good idea?
What baby?
I don't know.
Are you talking about when mommy and daddy have a baby, hopefully at some point?
No!
What are you talking about?
Don't do that anymore.
Do what? Video you?
No.
Okay, come over here.
No.
Can you blow me a kiss? Wait, right here. Really close. Let me see your kiss. Or can you do a wiggle butt? I can't see you. Nothing.
No.
I love you. Okay, toodles.